We're being deployed domestically, folks. I want no mess-ups. At 1100 hours, a sizable force of domestic Jinn sympathizers and some of the contractors we've been seeing stormed the bank, rolling a large chemical weapon through the doors, one presumably from the Croatian chemical plant. Your current objective is to disarm the bomb and cleave a path for local SWAT to neutralize any remaining Jinn inside.
Don't screw up, stay focused.
They're walking right into our trap. Perfect. This is gonna be fun. You win!
Let me see your hands!
Just don't hurt me!
To your knees! Get your hands in the air right now!
Arrest me! You think this changes anything?
Don't try anything funny. Suspect secured and ready for trailers.
Go ahead, arrest me! You think this changes anything?
Target detained. Let's keep pace.
Put the gun down right now! Hands up! Drop to your knees! Drop the gun!
I don't want to die! Please!
Relax.
Screw you!
Don't squirm. The cuffs only get tighter.
Please! No more! No more! I surrender!
Target detained. Keep your position tight.
You better listen to me and be smart about this! Get on the
Walking
ground!
right into our trap.
Get your hands in the air right now!
I should have seen this coming.
End of the line, tough guy.
I don't want
Enjoy
to.
your new roommates. They're not as friendly as me.
I can help you. I know things. Just let me live.
Target secure. Stay sharp.
Hands up! Drop to your knees!
Go ahead.
Let me see
Arrest
your
me.
hands!
You think this changes?
You better listen to me and be smart about this! Get on the ground! Get your hands in the air right now! Don't make me shoot you!
Look, suspect's ready for the big house.
Go ahead. Arrest me. You think this changes anything?
Target secure. Keep your heads up.
Let me see your hands! You better listen to me and be smart about this! Get on the ground! Get your hands in the air right now!
This is bad.
You better listen to me and be smart about this! Get on the ground!
You got
Let me
lucky.
see your hands! You better listen to me and be smart about this! Get on the ground! Get your hands in the air right now! Let me see. This is not gonna end well for you, man. Drop the gun. Listen to me. Gun! Don't make me shoot you!